this is Sue from Sumino, and today I will show you the machines in our factory. The first machine into our eyes is the extrusion laminating machine. This machine is to cast the plastic and then coat on substrate. This is our coating machine. Here you can see this is a coating machine, it's very big. And then we will see our casting line. This casting line is Sumino's featured machine, which is with MDL unit for strengthening function. Come here. This is a very good design, and this is Sumino core technology. Come, we see more. Here is the MDL unit. You can see this is very big with lots of the rollers, and also this line is for automatic line. We equipped the thickness gauge to scan the thickness to ensure the final thickness of the product. This is very automatic, and here I go up the stairs, and you can see this line is with 3 extruders. The extruders can make and immerse the 5 layers of films. This is also a T-die. This is our extrusion system. This line is equipped with full automatic T-die and the thickness gauge. The thickness gauge will scan the product thickness and give the feedback to the T-die, and the T-die can adjust the thickness into the best condition. Now I'm going to go upstairs, and you can have a close look into the MDO unit. The film will be transferred into the MDO unit, and you can make the length stretched 4 and immersed 5 times. The rollers are with oil heated and water cooled so that it can make the film into another characteristics. Then you can see the traction unit. Also, you can see the thickness gauge to measure the final thickness of the film. And this is the full automatic winding system. This is very automatic, and no need the workers to stay here all the time, and it can change the rollers automatically. You can also set the lambda meters here, and when it reaches to ideal meters, it will inform you. This machine is for eco-friendly projects like stonepaper and so on. If you have more interest, and you can contact us, and Sue is here all the time for you. Sumino will welcome you.